Good Monday morning. This is Rebecca M. Carroll, and just with a little snippet for parents, especially the soon, believe it or not, now that your students are back in school, if they are juniors, generally February is the time where they will be required to pick out new courses. So it's important that you start looking at them now. Several schools do it differently. Some put it online, they give you the list online. Other schools will actually hand your student a packet. So then it starts with juniors. Once the juniors are all done and in the scheduling portal at their school, the next piece, they go after the sophomores. This is key. I just have to say over and over, you're generally applying to school with your transcript that goes up to the end of junior year. So really think carefully. We actually work with students, and that's part of, if you are already part of our ultimate program, that's what we do. So we want you, even if it's a phone call, we want you to be connecting with us, because there is an important sequence depending upon what school you're looking at and or what major. So we can help with that. It's really important. If you are one of the students who goes to a middle school and you are in ninth grade at this middle school, they generally are going to ask that you fill out your projected 4-year career college goals for graduation. It feels cumbersome. A lot of kids get really nervous about it. Don't be. It's required. You need to do it, but it's not set in stone. So if in sophomore year you discover, wow, I really, really like the STEM classes, I want to be an engineer, it might change. It might change some of the classes. So whatever you need to fill out, you will definitely be able to change, but they have to have this piece done. Last year, we worked with quite a few ninth graders and getting this 4-year plan ahead. And that's what you just want to think about. It's your 4-year strategic planning. It's kind of giving you a skeleton of what you need to do. For sophomores, be careful to take the classes that will allow you to go into those APs. Generally, most of the schools are offering at least the first AP for sophomores. So if you're feeling like you want to try one out, that's a good time to do it. Also, I want you to keep in mind that the some things that you can do over the summer. So there are some students that take an online Spanish class. So let's get together. For all the current clients, please get a hold of the Coaching Educator team and let's go over your classes. If not, you are more than welcome to schedule a consultation and we will work to lay out that plan and help you understand what exactly the plan means and help you get a little direction. That's what we are all about, is taking away the confusion. So keep in mind, the spring, early spring, is course selection months. And we want you to feel confident. We want you to feel prepared. Good Monday morning. Thank you very much. This is Rebecca M. Carroll, part of the Coaching Educator team.